Morning, everyone. Great to have you here at the Europe House for this traditional transfer of presidency from Hungary to Poland. I think this is happening in a very specific time for Serbia, for the European Union, for the enlargement policy, and this is why this discussion is significant. We are a few days before the EU Western Balkan Summit. We are a few days before new progress in enlargement for the Western Balkan in general. We are right in the middle of important discussions in Brussels, including on Serbia and how to bring things forward. And I think that the Polish presidency will continue this work. Clearly there is a dynamic that has been now well established, a political dynamic that is established to accelerate enlargement. We've seen so much progress under the Hungarian presidency, so much progress with the Western Balkans and also with Ukraine and Moldova. And I'm sure that this progress will continue. It is now really the moment to intensify and accelerate reforms in all candidate countries, so certainly in Serbia. Serbia has made this commitment to meet all requirements of enlargement by 2026, the end of 2026, which means that we need really to roll up our sleeves and work much harder for implementing reforms, and this is what we will be doing during the Polish presidency, and I'm sure that we will make progress with everyone, including Serbia. Thank you very much.